Hello everyone, let's solve the value for this expression. So here 2 minus 2, 0 into 2 by 2 is equal to 0 by 2, which is 0. But this is the incorrect answer. So what will be the correct value for this expression? So write the question. Now here you can write this expression as bracket 2 minus 2 times 2 divided by 2. Now here, according to order of operation, which is PEMDAS, first we do parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So here you have to remember multiplication, division both have equal priorities. Therefore, we go from left to right. Same for addition and subtraction. So here first we'll solve this parenthesis. In parenthesis here, subtraction multiplication is there. So in this, multiplication has higher priority. Therefore, we will first solve this one. So 2 minus 2 2s are 4. Divide by 2. Then here minus 2 will come. Divide by 2, which is minus 1. So minus 1 is the correct value for this expression.